Welcome back, pure structure traders, for another market analysis for the London session. Today is February 1st, 2021 here in Hawaii, and should be February 2nd for the London 2021. Today we're going to be going over S&P 500 and also gold. So let's go ahead and dive into it. S&P 500 here on this 10 tick, we have been in a strong bullish move back to the upside. We're trying to reach 3,800 again. You can see still trending to the upside right now. Now, what are we looking for on S&P? Either we're going to get a very shallow pullback somewhere around this level of 81. And if not, I'm going to look for the market to try to come into 73.50, come down into this level and continue to hold the support. If we get that balance of support, look for the upside move for a continuation into those 90s again, and then through that back up into about 37.99 to 3,800 is my next level. Now, underneath that level, you can see we have another interesting level that we're looking at for some support, which lines up right here at about 37.60.75. Underneath that support at 37.50.50, and then I have one slightly below that, 41, 32, and 28 even down below over here. There are some other levels that we could potentially play off of, but we're going to allow price to get into our levels first, and then we're going to see what the market wants to do from there, creating its actual market structure. So again, looking for that pullback, look for that bounce of support, maybe a nice double bottom, and continue the move back to the upside again into about 3,800 is what we'll try. Let's take a look at a smaller chart here on S&P. You can see we are still moving sideways right now. Again, shallow pullback somewhere around here, right around these 81 to 82s. If not there, again, look for those 73.50s as a potential bounce for a continuation of move from there. Let's take a look at gold, give you guys some trades ideas on gold. You can see what we're looking at right now on gold. We have resistance sitting at 57.6. Above that, we have another level of resistance, 59.6. And we're going to see what the market does. Right now, it's in a nice move down. So we're going to see if this market continues to hold this downward move and then pulls back to the downside. Now, if we can't hold this level of 57.6, we'll look for that market to get right up into these 59.6s and then try to get the market down into 54. That's going to be our opportunity there. Underneath that, you can see we got some support here at 1850. Below that, we got another one right around 47.5. And then underneath that, I got one at 41.6. So again, we are traveling back to the downside on gold, so we are looking for the market to continue to pull down. Now, if we get back above these 59.6s, you could potentially look somewhere up at 62 to about 65.8 as the next levels of resistance above that. Let's take a look at a smaller chart here. Again, you can see on the smaller chart, resistance coming right in at about 56.7 right now. Trying to get up into that level of 57.6, may or may not, we'll see. But if we can, look for that resistance at that area first. If not, 59.6, we are going to look for that resistance peak and a pull back to the downside from there to continue right into those 54s, then 50s, then 47.5, and then below that. So that is it for S&P 500 and also gold. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. If you guys did, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. If you guys have any questions, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. Again, you guys can also go onto the website. We are going to be launching soon, so you can put your email in there if you want to get notified when the launch happens. Thank you guys very much. You guys take care. Have a good night.